What is optoelectronics? Optoelectronics is the communication between optics and electronics, which includes the study, design, and manufacture of a hardware device that converts electrical energy into light and light into energy through semiconductors. This device is made from solid crystalline materials which are lighter than metals and heavier than insulators. Optoelectronics device is basically an electronic device involving light. This device can be found in many optoelectronics applications like military services, telecommunications, automatic access control systems, banking system, international communications, and medical equipments.
Define your future. Study Fiber Optical Technology. I4. Institute of Fiber Optical Research and Training. Contact us. 701 22 3344 9. Visit www.i4tindia.com.